Sabre has now left the formation to prepare for its solo routine. Today's Hawk 1 demonstration pilot is Lieutenant Colonel Steve Will from North Bay, Ontario. Steve is a highly experienced Canadian military pilot who flew 5 years with the Snowbirds and 10 years on the F18 Hornet. He is now flying for WestJet Airlines in addition to serving as a reservist in the Canadian Forces. Watch as he comes in from the right to show us the Sabre broadside silhouette. The Hawk 1 F86 Sabre is owned by Vintage Wings of Canada, a private foundation based in Gatineau, Quebec. Hawk 1 was created 2 years ago to help celebrate the Centennial of Flight in Canada and is brought to you by a unique partnership between Discovery Air, the Department of National Defense, and Vintage Wings. Now look to your left as the Sabre approaches center stage. After passing in front of you, Steve will slow down to 180 knots to prepare the Sabre for the dirty pass. That Hawk 1 is a non-profit organization, and any funds we have remaining at the end of the season will be donated to the Canadian Forces Military Families Fund. This fund was created 2 years ago to assist military families who are faced with unforeseen and immediate needs resulting from the conditions of military service. Eyes to the left now for the aileron roll.